Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I do a messy curled look. So first we're going to use our dry shampoo. I'm using the Joico Weekend Hair dry shampoo. There's only 3 products used in this entire video. However, if your hair is clean, you only would need 2. Enjoy my crazy hair and watching me attempt to fix it. Ignore my roots and what's left to be bleached out of my hair of the darkness that looks like lowlights. That is gonna have to be fixed soon. Now we're using a heat protectant, and I'm using the Damage Remedy from Aveda. Now we're just sectioning off the hair, starting by putting the first hair up with a little ponytail into a little bun, and then using a clip for the second section. And now we're curling. I sped the video up here a little bit, but obviously it doesn't go super fast. I was gonna get rid of little pieces of the video, but for people who wanted to see the whole thing, I left it. It's already a super short video, so if you just want to skip through this part to see the end, you're more than welcome to. So in this part we are just messing up the curls, shaking them out a little bit and separating them so you don't see like the individual little curls as much. The only products I used were the Osis Texture Spray, Hairspray, the Aveda Daily Hair Repair leave-in and the Joico dry shampoo at the beginning. And that was not in the correct order, and I'm so sorry, but I review it again in the video in just a second. And there's the finished look. Here are the products that I used again in the right order this time. The dry shampoo from Joico, the Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Heat Protectant, and the Osis texture hairspray. And this is a Babless Marcel. And here's the final look.